Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to use ChatGPT effectively in your project or at your workplace. So let's start it. So first of all, you need to sign in or log in. So download the ChatGPT from this link using email ID and passwords. You can successfully log in. After login, we can use the ChatGPT. So let's open the ChatGPT here. You can type anything here and press that button, so we'll get answers to your query. So let's start. In this video we'll see how to use ChatGPT in software testing effectively. So very first, user story. So we'll see how to create the user story. So the user story creation is the job of project manager. So this is my requirement, a simple requirement. As a user, I should able to log in e-commerce application so that user can access all the features from the application. So this is my prompt. While using the ChatGPT, you need to prompt your requirements in well manner. So copy this as of now, go to ChatGPT, paste here. Okay. After paste, click on that button. So for my requirement is very simple, create user stories for login functionality. So here different 8 user stories created and in the response. So whichever you want in your project, you can take this from here. So constructive, very good manner they have constructed. Login with valid credential, login with invalid credentials, forget password. So all this user stories created from ChatGPT. So let's take the second one. So second scenario is the test case development. It's a tester's job. So my prompt is that create test case for following user story. My user story is basic login and title is user login with valid credentials, and as a registered users, I want to log in to the e-commerce application using my email password so that I can access my account and all the features. So this is the simple case, this user story, or this prompt. So how ChatGPT will make test cases, we'll see. Copy this, go to ChatGPT and paste it here. So we'll see how it make. Yeah, we'll see the response. So different test cases are created for our requirement. So for user login with valid credentials, two test cases are created. Then okay, so the very constructive response from ChatGPT. We get a proper format, TCID, test case descriptions, preconditions, test step, expected results. So for our requirement, ChatGPT gives a better response. So you can use in your project what you require. So we'll go for next scenarios. So our third scenario is syntax error detection and correction. So we can use the ChatGPT for error detection and correction also. So our prompt is find syntax error and correct below Python code. So we'll take this, go to ChatGPT and paste it here. And yeah, so you can see the response from ChatGPT. I wait for some time. I thought there's an issue with the internet. Yeah, it's in our prompt is find syntax error and correct the Python code. So we get the error identified and fixes. So as this way we can use the syntax, we can use this ChatGPT for syntax errors. So first is string not closed properly. So here you can see one string, second string. So with proper fixes, ChatGPT gives the proper response. So that's why using ChatGPT, use your stability or use your efficiency in your project. So for each error it gives a proper explanation. So yeah, it's very useful and it gives a corrected code also. So that's about the syntax error detection and correction. Now we'll see the logical error detection and correction. For logical, we will prompt this. So let's copy this and go to ChatGPT again and paste it here and try to search. So logical errors identified and fixes. So it gives the fixes. What was the mistake in this? So basically here the else block should print V instead of A, right? So we printing A here, so we need to B here, so we give one A. So this one is corrected and also giving the corrected output as well. So here also ChatGPT is again a useful tool. Now we'll go for next scenarios: test automation, script writing. So here write in test script using Selenium Python with PyTest framework for following test case. So our test case is that successful user registration, then precondition is a registration page. Test steps, I write some steps and these are expected results. So copy this prompt, go to ChatGPT and paste it here and try. So here automation test script, so it will write the script for you for successful registration test case. So it gives like prerequisites install, what combination, what libraries are you required to install, then it give a proper code, what features, what functions are used, with proper explanation it's giving, right? So it giving explanation also what code you are writing, like set of features, test steps, implementations, how to run the test. So as this way we can write this test script also for a particular scenario. So this again are very useful. Now we'll see how to locate Xpath. So this write is Selenium Xpath locators for all the elements on the page. So let's take it and go to ChatGPT and paste it here and try to search. So you can see at this link demo novcommerce.com there are logo, registered link, login link, shopping cart, wishlist, search box, search. So these are the header elements, the navigation menu, different home page features, footer sections, login page elements, registration page elements, shopping cart elements, all the elements you will get the Xpath. So this again are very useful for testers. You will find all Xpaths or all Xpath locators in one click. Okay, so as this way we'll see how we seen how to locate the Xpath. So now we'll see page object model also. By using the ChatGPT we can create the form structure also. So first form we'll see I have the web page demo.novcommerce, then create login page object class for Selenium Python PyTest automation framework without page factory. So I will take this. I will take this prompt and we'll see how this creating the form. Go to ChatGPT and paste it here. You can see how it create the form structure. We'll see how to create. So here encapsulation, separation methods, noise or page effect. So these are the step followed in form. Then login page object class created. So with proper structure, with proper codes, you get all things. Yeah, here we can see for login page. So form structure we can create using ChatGPT with proper prompt. So whatever you require in project, you can take this from here, because the project to project or prompting is different. So you can use this. Then second prompt we also use. So now we'll see the second prompt. I have a web page. Create the page object class for Selenium, Python, PyTest framework with Page Factory. Here with Page Factory, we want to create the form class creations. So just now we'll see that without Page Factory. Now we'll see with Page Factory. Okay, so go and paste it here and try to. Yeah, now we'll see automation framework using Page Factory. So you can create the frameworks or form classes using ChatGPT with proper prompting. So this is again a very useful for our project or daily use. So as this way, in this video we have seen all the use cases of software tester, how tester can use ChatGPT effectively in your work. So I have given the software testing in this particular video. You can use any field, anywhere you work. You can try for this with proper prompting. You can use this ChatGPT effectively in your project.